Assalamualaikum and hi everyone. My name is Muhammad Zikri bin Murtaza and today I will be explaining about coral and ocean health. Without further ado, let's get right to it. First off, what is coral exactly? It is a colonial marine invertebrate that is called as polyps on its own. The type of coral is known as hermatypic or hard coral, as they extract calcium from seawater to create skeletons that over time will start piling up as newer coral grew on older ones, thus creating coral reef. Moving on to the next topic, the importance of coral reef. It is a safe haven for other marine animals as it gives them food and protection, especially for the smaller fishes, making it have the highest biodiversity in ecosystem globally. It also aids in protecting the shoreline by breaking the impact from waves, storm and flood to ensure the shoreline is safe from them. And with it having a rich biodiversity, it will provide for coastal and inland communities as well as being a potential source of income through tourism. Unfortunately, human activities has affected the corals negatively. Pollution is one example, as land-based runoff and pollutant that is mostly from coastal development, agriculture, sewage treatment, and many more, contain sediment, nutrient, or chemical that will promote the rapid growth of algae or other organisms, effectively stunting the coral growth. Next is overfishing. Many species of fish had been taken out of the coral reef for aquarium aesthetic and it will make the ecosystem balance goes haywire. Not to mention that divers may be reckless and harm the newly grown corals. There are also destructive fishing methods such as blast fishing, cyanide fishing, and dragging net through the reef. This will degrade and over time kill the coral reef and its inhabitants. Last but not least is the climate change. As of recently, the rapid increase in temperature causes changes in storm patterns and the rise of sea level. Coastal regions such as the Great Barrier Reef are threatened to be damaged by these changes. Not to mention the glaring problem that is the coral bleaching. It happens when the water temperature is too high, causing the coral to expel the algae living within it. They will appear white and will have a high risk of permanently dying if the condition does not get better. So, what should we do to overcome this problem? We need to practice sustainable tourism practice. How do you ask? It's easy. The first step is to reduce our plastic usage. For example, stop using the plastic bag and instead use reusable bag. This will significantly reduce the amount of pollutant that goes into the sea and affect the coral ecosystem. Next is not touching and avoiding picking up any wildlife in the coral reef, especially the coral when you dive. In conclusion, coral reefs are very important for both ocean health and us. Facing these major threats, such as climate change and pollution, we as humans need to protect it in order to preserve marine life and our own future. As such, with awareness and action, we can ensure that the coral reef will stay safe and thrive.